Fiber optic internet delivers lightning speeds up to gigabit levels with ultra-low latency, but it only reaches about half of American homes. On the other hand, Starlink's low Earth orbit satellite network covers nearly 99% of the country, bringing broadband to remote locations. In just 10 minutes, we compare prices, speeds, and overall reliability so you can choose the best connection. Is it worth paying upfront equipment costs for satellite internet? Or is fiber optic still the best choice for daily use? The answer depends on your location and usage habits, with significant differences in speed, initial expenses, and signal reliability. In the United States, fiber optic broadband already reaches about 50% of residential addresses, concentrating its footprint across urban and suburban areas. A low Earth orbit satellite coverage reaches nearly 99% of U.S. homes, becoming the primary option for remote areas without land infrastructure. Starlink residential plans in the United States cost between $55 and $130 per month, requiring an antenna kit priced from $200 to $350 or a $10 monthly rental fee. Major fiber providers offer entry-level residential plans starting between $35 and $50 per month, frequently including Wi-Fi equipment with no extra rental fee. Official technical data for Starlink residential service shows typical download speeds ranging from 50 to 200 Mbps, with latency between 25 and 60 milliseconds. Residential fiber optic networks offer symmetrical speeds starting typically at 1,000 Mbps, featuring a low latency of 10 milliseconds or under. Satellite internet provides nearly universal coverage across 99% of American homes, reaching remote locations where high-speed landlines do not exist. According to FCC data, fiber optic cables currently reach about 50% of residential addresses in the U.S., leaving millions of households without fiber access. Starlink uses a self-installation kit containing a phased array antenna, Wi-Fi 6 router, kickstand, and a 15-meter cable, set up via a mobile app. Fiber optic setup requires a technician to connect the physical line from the street to the home, installing an optical network terminal in 2 to 4 hours. While Starlink equipment withstands winds up to 168 miles per hour, heavy rainfall causes signal attenuation, leading to temporary speed drops during intense storms. Fiber optics transmit data through light pulses in glass filaments, making the signal entirely immune to rain fade, atmospheric interference, and heavy storms. For residents in remote areas without terrestrial options, satellite plans starting at $55 per month offer reliable broadband where cable networks cannot go. Urban fiber plans ranging from $50 to $80 per month or up to 1,000 Mbps offer the lowest cost per Mbps for fixed residential broadband. A 2-year total cost comparison reveals that fiber optic service saves between $1,000 and $2,000 compared to satellite internet expenses. Let us summarize the key technical and financial differences between these two broadband options in the United States. Regardless of whether you choose light pulses over fiber or satellite radio signals, both technologies depend on continuous electrical power to operate home routers. Your location ultimately determines the ideal choice, as availability varies between urban networks and satellite signals. For homes in remote or rural locations without land infrastructure, satellite internet provides reliable coverage with speeds up to 200 Mbps. For urban addresses with access to fiber, landline broadband remains the smarter choice with low latency under 10 milliseconds and affordable monthly rates. In the end, geographical location is the primary factor that determines which technology provides the greatest value. Looking past marketing claims shows that fiber optic delivers significant long-term savings and lower latency wherever terrestrial cabling is installed. For an urban home, fiber optic is the obvious choice due to low entry costs and sub-10 millisecond latency, while satellite remains essential for off-grid living. If this comparison helped you determine the best internet option for your home, leave a like to support our channel.